Hello everyone, welcome to Jhumka Jewelry Studio. I am Shruti and I design silver jewelry, all handmade. So today I am showing you some of my creations. It's like a brief introduction to what I do. All my designs are available online at jhumka.ccavenue.com, and I am also on Instagram and on Facebook. So let's start. These are my simplest earrings, single bead danglers. This is Carnelia, a very bright orange color. These earrings are priced at rupees 149, lightweight and made in sterling silver. The next here is a single pearl earring. This is in pink pearl, light pink pearl. Then these are the studs. These are triangle shaped studs. I also have spirals in the spiral studs, as well as other very small studs I have, which you can wear every day for office and all. And same design can also be made as a dangler. I can also make a pendant out of it. Another stud is this is a nest stud, very popular, and I have used 3 black pearls here. Similar design can be made using white pearls, and I can also make a pendant, and I can also make a bigger size nest, like with 4 pearls, or maybe even bigger, 5 pearls. Then this is one dangler. This is synthetic bead, white, and this black bead is faceted obsidian bead. This is how it looks. And the next here is a mini jhumka using amethyst beads. This is very nice shade of purple, light amethyst beads, and it is really small in size. This is how it looks. Then the next here is one bigger size earring using double spiral. These are obsidian beads, uncut, and this is how the design looks. A bit longish, and looks very good with traditional wear. Then I have balis. So this is a mini bali here using red and black beads, small beads, synthetic beads, and I have bigger balis. This is using multicolor beads, and one pearl is attached. Then pendant earring sets, like this is a earring with 4 pearls and a black pearl attached, and I have a matching pendant with this. This is a matching pendant, similar design, same size. So this is a pendant earring set. Then next here is a locket. This is a owl. It's an owl locket, quite popular design. I similarly have a elephant locket and a dolphin danglers I have. Then I also have puppy pendant, and I can do any more designs which you might be interested. So this is an owl pendant. Then this is again one stone pendant. This bead doesn't have a hole, and it's pretty big in size, around I think 1 inches, and I have just wrapped it with a silver frame, from behind, and this is the front. Then these are the nose pin. This is blue in color, blue bead from one side, and from another side it is a spiral. Okay, so these are actually dual design nose pin. Like if I wear it like this blue bead will be outside, and if I wear with the blue bead inside, the spiral will come outside. And these are again priced at rupees 149 and made in thin wire. I have around 9 colors in this color bead, and like what I am wearing, I have a kite, spiral, and flower, and many other designs I have. You have to adjust the nose pin only a couple of times before you start wearing them, so that you just have to wiggle it and wear it, because if you keep on opening and closing it, it might break because the wire is very thin. Then these are the toe rings. Okay, these are 2 pair of toe rings, and they are adjustable because they are open at the back. This is how it looks. This can also be used as a finger ring. Then this is a finger ring. double square, again open from the front and adjustable. Then this is a pendant, a bead, pendant, it's a bracelet. This is a beads bracelet with a swastik attached. You can attach any other motif, and you can even have a plain beaded bracelet. Now the beads here I have used like carnelian, lapis, garnet, and similarly you can have a bracelet with pearls. That also looks very good. Then the next here is a Mangalsutra bracelet. This one, this I have used ready-made Mangalsutra chain and just attached this pearl and a Rudraksha in the middle. Then I have an anklet. This is using seashell and black beads. I also have a matching earring with this. Then there is one more bangle here. Okay, these I have made using 6 wires, and this is again adjustable, open from here. You can fully open it, and it's very soft to handle, and this is how it looks. It's I have done a lot of weaving here, and this is how it looks. Then Mangalsutra. This is single pearl Mangalsutra. Again the chain is ready made. I have just attached one pearl. Then this is a necklace. This necklace I have used black beads and pearls, so it can also be used as a Mangalsutra. It looks very nice. This is how it looks. I have matching earrings with this, and all these necklaces are adjustable, like whatever length you want, 16 inches, 20 inches, whatever length. Since they are all customized, you can go for any length. Then this is again one very nice necklace. It's kind of a netted structure. I have made this using 3 wires and attached some pearls down. Looks very nice. And there are some black and red seed beads in the middle. So this is how it looks. Then what I am wearing is also a very different piece. This I have used 3 rose motifs and attached them on one side. These are garnet beads, and I also have a matching earring with this. So this is how it looks. So if you are interested in any kind of customization or any kind of other requirement, you can always contact me at 9860068389, and you can always check all my designs online. Thank you for watching.